Happy Friday. Let's go ahead, let's talk about what your jobs are for today. So first things first, we have our assignment. So I'm going to go ahead, we're on the home page. This is a reminder that for Friday we do have our material pickup today. It started at 9 and it will end at 1. So just keep that in mind for today. So we have our morning work, and so we are talking about comparative adjectives. And with comparative adjectives, we know that we're looking at two or more nouns and comparing them. And so you have a video here. It is a new video. Go ahead and watch it before going on to slide number 2. And in slide number 2, you're going to go ahead. You're going to see that for your first sentence, you are going to write a sentence with a comparative adjective. Remember, comparative adjectives end in ER. Then, for your second sentence, you are going to use a superlative adjective, meaning it's going to end in EST. And so just keep that in mind when you are completing this assignment. Then you have your journal prompt. You're going to go ahead, you are going to click the black and white journal. And it is Flashback Friday. So in your journal, remember in your physical journal, you're going to write about a time that you did something that you were proud of. And so this could be anything. Sometimes you're proud of a time where you did something nice for somebody, proud of how well you did in a sport. Any of those would be really great examples of what to write about. Then you have your Zoom. After our class Zoom, you have the art Zoom. Remember, that is at 10 o'clock, so make sure you go ahead. You're going to click on the Van Gogh, and it's going to take you to the art Zoom, and you are going to see that you have your specials. And so we're on the specials page. You are going to press the pink button, and again, that starts at 10 o'clock. After art, you're going to take a little break, and after your break, you're going to jump into your prefix and suffix practice. So you're going to go ahead, you're going to click on the YouTube link, and it's going to take you straight over.
Hello, third grade. Welcome to your daily
prefix and suffix practice. So just keep that in mind. Then you have a word analysis activity. You're going to go ahead, you are going to click the orange book, and you are familiar with doing the prefix and suffixes activity because you've done it once before. And so you're going to go ahead, you are going to go through and you are going to do it again, except with new words this time. And so we have a prefix is blank, a suffix is blank, a base word is blank. My friends who are doing this daily practice, you're going to have a lot of success with this job. You're going to see this first table, we are talking about prefixes, and so you're going to look, misbehave. Okay, what is the prefix? Miss, M-I-S. What does the word mean? To not behave, or to behave badly or poorly, and so that is what you're going to write there. Then you're going to come down to the bottom here, and you're going to see that you have some suffixes as well as question, what does the word mean? And so, for example, nicest, oh my gosh, I see that EST, I know right away. EST is our ending, our suffix, and what does that mean? The most nice. And I know that because we've done comparative adjectives, and it's the same thing, right? So keep that in mind. Again, that daily prefix and suffix video is going to be so helpful in helping you guys understand these words. Then you have your lunch. After lunch, you have a review quick check for math. You're going to go ahead and press the math symbols. And you're going to go ahead, you're going to click on the Google form. And you're going to go ahead, you are going to answer the questions. This is going to review not only addition and subtraction, but it's also going to review some rounding. And so it is really important, oh, and also value, right? And it's so important that you follow these directions so clearly, right? So it says, what is the value of the 3 in 3,498? Is it just 3? Is it 300? Is it 3,000? Or is it 3,493? And I'm not sure what that says, but we'll delete that. So keep that in mind. And then go on, and it's going to ask you to round. Now look very carefully because it says round the number 246 to the nearest 10, right? Not the hundreds, tens, right? As well as hundreds. And remember, this is a short answer, so it might be a little picky about answers, and so just be really flexible. If it pops up that it's wrong and you know it's right, just send Miss Walsh a kind message and I will take a look at it. Then you have your typed weekly journal prompt. You're going to go ahead, you're going to press the blue book right here. And you're going to see that you are going to type a journal response to your Thursday journal prompt. So you're going to share your thoughts about the best superpower. So you're going to go ahead, you are going to click on the weekly journal prompt, and you are going to give me 5 to 6 sentences about what is the best superpower. And then you clean up and you're done for the week. Remember that next week is Thanksgiving break, so we won't see each other for a week. I know we might have mixed feelings about it. I know I'm sad. I'm gonna miss you guys. It's gonna suck not seeing you. But we'll have a week off and then we'll come back and we'll be back with each other in no time. So if you have any questions about your assignments, please let me know. Otherwise, I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye, D1.